Anyway, guys, the ex-husband Yaga Homoto Remanes says we should never trust married people, and his reason is shocking, guys. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. No, the rest of the hustle, someone welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy festive season, happy Sunday. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. We all know that Homoto Ramano and her husband are no longer together, guys. Homoto Ramano, she's the one who came out to say they are getting divorced. That was 6 months ago, guys. And the reason why they were getting divorced, allegation we're saying, is because their husband was busy cheating, guys. People are saying a lot and get ex-husband Yaga Homoto Ramano. So yesterday, this is what he posted. So according to Bonga Ngobo, guys, the ex-husband Yaga Homoto Ramano, you should never trust the married people, and this is what he posted. Lapana Instagram account, young and married get smashed and play victim. Don't be a victim and fall sorry for them. So uto ungaba feel sorry. Those people that will come to you and say, oh, my wife, he did this to me, my husband, he was busy doing this kind of what they do get smashed. Married people should never be trusted. Even you see them lapana go Instagram, you should never get motivated. You should trust single people because single people are innocent, guys. So Ubonga is motivating you that when you see married people, you ngasaba well, I also want to get married. So you should stay single for the rest of your life, according to Bonga, not me, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment,